Or finger down. There's a van, a black van. Oh, nope. What's it got? Building supplies. Oh, supplies. Nice to see you. I think we turn off pretty soon. Hopefully. So this is riveting. I had a big crash because I tried to do a maneuver which wasn't advised, but otherwise this has gone without a hitch, which is good, I suppose. I shan't be doing that maneuver again, all to save time. It's because I went wrong. I went wrong somehow. Okay, so we want to turn down here. We'll probably want to brake a bit. And we want to stop here. Right, there are cars. Right, he stopped for some reason. Does he think it's my right of way or something? I'm not sure. Oh, come on! Don't stop. Don't. Oh, God! How many vehicles are coming down here? Joe, I'm just going to go in front of you. Why have you stopped? Come on! Well, thank you. I'm going. I think they were letting me out. They were being courteous, and I was like, "Come on!" Oops. The speed limit along here is 40, so we best not exceed that. What? Oh! Oh, he's just overtaking me. Okay. Nope, fair enough. You're breaking the speed limit, by the way! Arse. That looks like a helicopter or something up there. Don't know. See, now it says no overtaking. So, they won't be overtaking me now. And if they do, I will sue them. So, wow, we got to Carlisle rather quickly. Wow, that estimated time of arrival shot down, didn't it? I don't know what happened there. So, Carlisle, we want to go left to Glasgow. Well, we don't want to go to Glasgow, God. And it's clear, I believe, so we'll just swing around and off. There we go. Marvellous. Brilliant. Beautifully done. Granted, I didn't look around that well, but I could kind of tell there was nothing coming. I didn't check my blind spots. No. Okay, now we want to watch out for those cars. None of them are turning. We're all right. Oh crap! A lorry. Right, we've discovered Carlisle, and it's a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. Oh, it's creeping up. Just tap the brakes there. Oh, we're slowing down now. It's hard to gauge how much pressure to put it on to... oh, we want to go right here. Right, it's still green. Oops. Okay, we're doing all right. It has stopped. It is a red light. Go a bit closer than that. Come on. Can't actually see the light anymore. Oh, yeah, we can, because we can. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Do you mind whilst I just turn round here and into here we want to go. Oh, I made that a bit tight. We've caught the trailer on the gate. Never mind, we'll just drag it. There we go. Just drag it past the gate. Where do I want to go? Oh my god. What's with all these pallets and things? Aha, we want to go here. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we've ballsed that up. Okay, yeah, we definitely did. Just easy does it. I'm going the wrong way again. Right, yeah, this isn't working so good. Oh, no. We want to go counterclockwise. How are we doing? Oh yeah, that's working. And then ooh, that was close. Right, where are we? No! Damn it, wrong way. What the hell? How have I managed to balls this up so much? I don't get it. No! Right. Right, so we want to turn it full lock here so we get the cab round. No. Yes, that's right. That's it. Come on! Why is it so hard to park a lorry? Because this pivot point in the middle is frustrating. Come on. Right, we're getting there, I think. No, it's the wrong... It's the wrong way. Pfft, that'll do us. That parking was horrible. Always hit enter. I think it'll do. God, why was that so tricky? No idea. Anyway, that was a very long episode. It feels like I was playing that for a million years. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.